I received a question about how do I know if my record has been expunged in Pennsylvania? And this is going to be a tricky answer, but stick with me. The first thing you do is go to the UJS portal to search for a public record. I have the address on my website. I can send it to you in an email. I just type in UJS portal and go to search for my name and date of birth and see what pops up. The question here is, how do I see if my record is expunged? So if you're searching the UJS portal and your record comes up, it has not been expunged. Now you know what it is you're trying to clear. If it doesn't show up on the UJS portal, does that mean that it's been expunged? No. It could have been sealed by the clean slate algorithm, meaning that it's hidden, but it's still there to be used against you. Or frequently, there's so many typos that happen with people's names or even dates of birth that it could still be out there. So my solution as recorderaser.net to how do I know when my record has been expunged is I have a service where for $100 I'll write off to the Pennsylvania State Police and request your full access review, which will scratch out every criminal conviction that you have in Pennsylvania. If it shows up on that full access review, then it has not been expunged. If it doesn't show up on that full access review, then it might have been expunged, or at least we would assume that it's been expunged. Most counties in Pennsylvania don't expunge their own records if they're eligible, like if somebody gets a DUI and they go into the ARD program. Some counties expunge their own ARDs, but they're very, very few. Also, juvenile records. Some counties will actually expunge a juvenile record on their own. Most counties won't, and so you never know which. By the way, juvenile expungements, if they're felonies, will show up on the Pennsylvania State Police Full Access Review. A misdemeanor juvenile adjudications will probably not, and we would need to request those records from the clerks of courts in the county of adjudication.